Hello, I'm going to show you how to access your child's schoolwork for the day. They have been using the app Schoology since the beginning of the year to get their materials for each day, so this should be something that they are used to, but this is just a little refresher video in case they need it. The Schoology app on my iPad screen is on the bottom, and it's a black S with a blue circle around it. So I'm going to open up this Schoology app. In the top left-hand corner, you'll see 3 bars. If you click on those 3 bars, you will then click on Courses. And all of our distance learning material will be in the 3rd grade homeroom course. So Schoology, 3 bars, Courses, and then homeroom. In the homeroom course, we'll have a schedule in there just in case you need an electronic one, and then all of the work plans for the week. So the first one for this week is Wednesday. So if you open up Wednesday's work plan, this will show you kind of their to-do list for the day. Up at the top of every work plan, we will have a checklist that's highlighted, and this is more for the parents, so you can have something to kind of quickly look at and talk about with your child to kind of ask them if they have done their assignment. So you will be able to open up this checklist each day, and you can print this if you want to, or maybe write them out in a notebook if you like to be able to check things off or cross things off. But it will just show you as a parent, those are Wednesday's assignments, and then for Thursday we'll add in Thursdays, and then Fridays. So this is more for parents to see what we are assigning them to do. And the rest of the work plan is more for your child to see what their assignments are. We have put up at the top of each section the time that the lives are and what the subject is. So at the top you'll see that at 8 o'clock we're going to have a reading Google Meet, and you'll notice that there's Sancher, Button, and Fitzgerald links. So if you're part of Mrs. Sancher's class, you will click on the Sancher link to open that up, and you'll probably want to come in a couple minutes before 8, and you'll open up that Google Meet link. And when you come into that link, it would be awesome if you can turn the microphone off and wait for your teacher. So there's a little microphone icon. If you click that icon right there to turn it off, and then you can hit the blue join button. So that's how your child will access their Google Meets. We'll get back into the work plan here. Okay, and then after their Google Meet where they listen to the book, you will see their assignments that they will have for reading to complete sometime throughout the day. And then at 9 o'clock every day will be specials, and we have it laid out for what teacher and what special they have. So again, they'll just click on the link for whatever special they have, and it will take them to their Google Meet for their specials class. And then at 10 o'clock we'll have another live session for math, and you'll click on your child's Google Meet link and be able to do that, and then you'll do your assignments either with your teacher or by yourself. The next thing after math is connections. There won't be a live Google Meet for that. That's just something that they can work on whenever you have the time. We wrote 10:30 in there if some people like to have a scheduled time, but it's not something that you necessarily have to do at 10:30. And then our small group times start at 12, and so we're meeting with our yellow groups on Wednesday, and they'll click on that link to come to our small group time. And then we'll have different kids for our one-to-one meetings on Wednesday. Everything after this is just extras. It's things that they got done with all their work, and you want them to kind of go off and explore, become deeper thinkers, and gain more knowledge on certain topics. We'll be changing these throughout our distance learning time, but there's a wide variety of reading and connections extras, and then also there's a lot of different choices for math. So this is just their time to go off and explore and pick things that they would like to learn about. As always, if you guys have any questions, don't be afraid to ask your teacher.